Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. And I'm very happy to be with you guys today using this platform so we can engage in the communication process to practice what we have been studying until this day, and also how we can apply the business idioms so we can create an effective communication process in a given organizational environment. Now, today we're going to be talking about how we can use the diversity of idioms that we have as part of our class, right? As you may well remember, these business idioms are going to help us to express a complex idea in the most effective manner given the situation that we are part of a boardroom meeting in an organizational environment, right? So we have here these idioms that can help us to explain the competitive situation and where the company is standing in relation to their competitors, the conditions of the industry, and what is going on in different kind of environments such as macro, specific, and internal environments. So for today, we have to start thinking about the idioms that we started studying in the last class and how we can use it effectively to communicate what is going on in different kind of organizations. This is why we're going to be working today with this very special company, which is called Neurosity. Neurosity is a terrific organization that is creating a very important, noticeable, and interesting technology so we can use our time much more effectively by a very specific and special device, which is actually a crown that can read our neural waves. So we can use different kind of devices in the same moment that we are doing these different kind of things. So we can see that this kind of device is helping us to become much more effective and also multitasking kind of profession, right? So please, all of you remember that the idioms that we are going to be working with today are the following. Ahead of the pack, which is basically how we can become much more successful than the competition. Back to step one, which is to start something over again because a previous attempt failed. Ballpark number and figure, which is a very inexact estimate about a number or quantity. The big picture, which is everything that is involved with a particular situation, and by the book, which is just basically talking about doing things exactly according to the rules or the law. Please pay attention about these 5 to 6 business idioms. We're going to be working with this one using a business simulator and also a real example about how we can make some sound decisions for two types of organization. One of them is trying to compete, overcoming the threats of the competition in a given industry, which is called the Neurosity, and this special crown type device, so we can use our neural waves in the most effective way. And the other one is an starting company that is trying to have a good place of competition in the industry of understanding the communication process of our pets, right? Pay attention about these idioms, read about the examples and the meanings and how we can use it and apply it into our conversation in an organizational environment. And then we have to go to the process of the next part of the class. If you have any question or comments, please let me know by contacting me or reaching me by email or maybe by sending me a message using Brightspace, which is our platform of communication, which is basically the most effective way to reach me if you need something from my part. Okay, so I'll see you guys. I hope that you have a really good and enjoyable class. Pay attention to the idioms, and I'll see you back there.